KALLAX Shelves. Mounted to the wall. The hardware. These are the wall mounting screws for this one, but you don't get the screws that actually go in the wall. Okay, first step is to put these parts here, one side, and make sure it's 2 holes on the bottom. So these holes here. IKEA KALLAX Shelves, green irregular. There's 2 holes here at the back. So the larger size outside. Take the screws. Use the big ones. Okay. So on this side and in between there will be small dowels. Like this. So 2 small panels should be with a large dowel on one side and small dowels on the other side. And 2 panels like this with small dowels on both sides. Inserts. Okay, this one, the next panel, middle holes go up and the under holes, they are on the left side. Put the big ones here. It's gonna be like this. Here, just like that. Okay, this next one is with 2 holes on one side. There's only one place for this. Okay, the last large shelf and large ones. Almost. Small dowels go on top, large ones below. And it goes right here. 2 large ones there, 2 large ones here, and here 2, and here 2. And you have 1 extra just in case. So this part with the 2 holes, I turn it around like this. For screws, the larger holes are on the bottom. Also, this goes in. Okay. I start them with the tool. Okay, we have this feet. I will only use 1 set. I have 2 more screws. I forgot to put them at the previous step, but actually it's better like this. Two screws in each side, like that, onto the shelf. Now on the other side, it's is for both sides the same way. You have to use a level because it might be moving left and right a little bit. When it's straight, you make an X in the center of each one, like this. Drill. I don't have the fixing for the wall yet, but I'll put it here for later. Cover the holes. IKEA Kallax. IKEA Kallax irregular green. That's the model. When I have the screws, I'll drill this. But actually there's a problem. There's an aircon here. So there might be aircon pipes. So I'm not sure about that. Thanks for watching.